Is Donald Trump an angel? Could he be the angel of destruction and disruption to wake our souls up and be more conscious? Could he be that? Before you click off, let's have this discussion first. I know to hear Donald Trump and his name with angel in the same sentence can trigger some people, but just hear me out. Maybe he's here to wake us up consciously by disrupting all of our systems, collapsing our systems, and creating insecurity for us in order for us to wake up. I know that that may be triggering for quite a few folks, and because it's actually impacting your life on a day to day basis. However, could he just be here as his purpose to help in ushering in the evolution of our growth, of our soul's growth here on earth? And could he be actually an angel? I had this conversation with my spiritual guides in my dream, and it was very interesting because that is what came out during that discussion, was that he is an angel of disruption, destruction as well. And if you want to have this discussion, you should actually do this with your spiritual guides as well to see actually what all of this is about. Because at this time, he is causing us all to wake up and question all of our systems and the inequality in this world. He's disrupting the whole world, not just the United States. So this is very interesting. I think that this should be a discussion. So how do you feel about it? Have you talked and had this discussion with your spirit guides as well? At this time, I think that this spiritual warfare is causing our lower chakras to become unaligned. If you're not aligned, you're definitely not in alignment right now, because what's going on is the foundations that we thought we had within these systems are collapsing. And so if your root chakra is not grounded, you could possibly be going through a lot of chaos in your life right now, because that's your, the root chakra is your stability, your foundation, your security. And so that could be causing issues. Also, your job, your sacral chakra, which is who you identify as. What do you feel who you are creatively? And a lot of us in the United States identify ourselves through our jobs. And so is that being rocked right now? Also, your solar plexus chakra, that is where your intuition sits. Are you being bombarded with a whole bunch of information, a lot of news that can make you come into question about you, yourself, how you feel? Are you using your intuition when you're listening to some of this information that's coming through media? Because we are bombarded right now. We don't know what is real, what is true, what's fake news. So right now, your intuition is very important. And if your solar plexus chakra is not solid and not open, you can be struggling there as well. So right now, I think he is causing a lot of disruption. What's your thoughts on this? How do you feel about actually Donald Trump being an angel and serving his purpose and disrupting our systems right now? The spirit realm use people and tools and whatever else as lessons, and they do things differently than we do here on earth. People come into our lives for lessons. And so tell me your thoughts in the comments below and what you think. And if you're struggling connecting with your spiritual guides, I do one-on-one sessions with clients on how to connect with your spirit guides. You can book a one-on-one with me in the description box below, and it's worth it. It's really inexpensive. For an hour, we can get to the base of why you're not connecting with your spirit guides. So give me your thoughts. I would love to hear them. I just wanted to get on here and tell you about the dream I had about him, and that he is actually an angel of disruption. So tell me what your thoughts are. Thank you. Take care. Love you. Be safe out there. And see you next time.